Imagine controlling your home with just your hands. No switches, no buttons, just a simple gesture. Sounds futuristic, right? But this is something we can actually build using AI, Arduino, and PictoBlox. For this project, we created a mini smart home where different hand gestures control different devices. We have a lamp, an LED, and even a smart door lock. Then comes the interesting part. The AI sends the corresponding command to the Arduino, and the Arduino controls the electronic components connected to it. Let's test it. I show the first gesture to the camera. The AI recognizes it, sends the command to Arduino, and the lamp turns on. Now I change my hand gesture. The Arduino receives a different command, and this time, the LED turns on. But we wanted to make it more than just controlling lights. So we added a servo motor to act as our smart door lock. I make another gesture. The AI recognizes it. Arduino processes the command, and the servo motor moves to unlock the door. And when I make the opposite gesture, the door locks again. What makes this project really interesting isn't just turning a lamp on or moving a servo. It's the combination of AI, computer vision, programming, and electronics working together as one system. This is why projects like this are so powerful for learning. Instead of only writing code on a screen, you can actually see your code interacting with the real world. And the best part is that this is just the beginning. Imagine adding temperature sensors, automatic curtains, security systems, voice commands, or even controlling the entire house from a mobile app. AI is changing the way we interact with technology, and with platforms like PictoBlox and Arduino, you can start building that future yourself. If you enjoyed this project and want to see more AI, robotics, Arduino, and smart home projects, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications because there are many more projects coming. And tell me in the comments, what would you control with an AI hand gesture?